you're the girl, don't just like have your hands like straight down. Like you can like hold on to him like that, or like use your hands. Don't just. I mean, just like be relaxed.
Like have your hands around the waist, or
you're able to hold the person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You make eye contact and you make sure that she's looking at you too. She has to be looking at you or it's just like not gonna work. She's not gonna get what you're trying to do. And then the next step is a very important step. Move the hair out of her face if her hair is in her face. She'll really like that, especially if we just do this. And I kind of move it behind there. Okay, and then after her hair is all moved back like that, you just wanna like place your hand on her face. Kind of like this. Perfect position. You just wanna do that. And then just like look her in the eyes.
Okay, we don't make any eye contact at first.
Very awkward.
And we just go in for it.
Okay. That's how you don't do it. You don't want to do it that way. Or that's actually like a 100-100 kind of situation. You don't want to just go in full blast. That's way too fast. You're going to bust something. You're going to break some noses. You just don't know what you're about to do. That's what you don't want to do.
Yeah, and as you can see, both of us were literally statues, and it's like... And so my tip, I think, is really important. If the guy is taller than you or the girl is taller than you, make sure you kind of go on your tippy toes to reach them so you don't like miss their neck. And the next tip is to just take things very slowly. You don't have to rush things. You never have to rush things. And don't do anything that you're uncomfortable with. Make sure you're fully comfortable with that person, as we said before.
If you really want to make it special and make your first kiss worthwhile, what I would recommend doing is this right here, like I said. Kiss her on the forehead. Give her a little kiss on the forehead. She will love that. She will absolutely love it.
Okay, and I also have another tip for you guys. It is to moisturize your lips and make sure that they're hydrated, because if you have all dry and crackly lips, that's not good.
So what I use personally is this little tube of Vaseline. I just apply it whenever I feel like I need it, and it really does the job good. Obviously, you could tell the audience, you could tell everyone how it really works. It's really good.
It works really good. He always has super soft lips.
Yeah, so I love that.
And a first kiss is never going to be perfect. You're going to have mess ups, and that's okay. There's always a way to come back from those mess ups.
Yeah, and say for some reason you came in too strong. Okay, that's okay. Take a break.
Back up a little.
Yeah, or if you're super comfortable with a person, they're not gonna mind. They're just gonna be like, okay, let's get back into it and get another kiss in. Like, there's always a way to do the kiss over.
And if you're someone like me who laughs when you're nervous, that's okay. It eases the tension and makes you feel more relaxed when you're giving your first kiss.
And to me, I'm completely okay with her laughing. Like, I'm used to it by now, and it's fine. Which kind of ties back into you being comfortable with the person. So if they're laughing, just laugh along with it. Like, make it cool, make it fun. And that's all you really have to do. Just have fun with it.
It's supposed to be fun, okay?
Yeah.
Don't take it so seriously. Kissing is fun. If you love that person, it's okay to laugh.
Okay, so you're gonna move the hair. I almost forgot to do that. I'm not gonna put that in the video though.
Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up down below and comment.
Okay, so that sums up all of our tips and advice that we have for you guys, and we wish you the best of luck on your first kiss. So, with that being said, it's that time of day again, notification shout out day, and today's notification shout out goes out to...
Let me do the honors. Ava101, she said, I subscribed and turned the post notifications on. Love your vids.
Thank you so much, Ava.
Thank you.
So if you guys want a chance to get shout out in the next video, all you have to do is comment down below that you have our notifications on, click the bell so you guys get notified when we upload a new video, and we may pick you. That's all you had to do.
Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like down below.
And if you guys are new here and you've never seen our faces before, hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss another new video. And as always, we will see you guys next time with another video.